We're about to change the rear seats on the Q60. Same thing as the G37. So it's the same process. Alright, so I'm gonna get like straight into it. So I'm gonna just do it. Not gonna talk. Well, I'm gonna talk, but you're gonna see how it is. Alright. So like I said, it's for the Q60 2014 and the G37 coupes 08 to, you know, whenever. Same thing, man. Just know it's different, way different than the sedans, than the coupes. They're two different. You'll see what I'm talking about. If you are Infinity guy, you'll see what I'm talking about. The sedan is much easier than the coupe that you're about to see. All right, so let's get into it. So for these rear seats, well, the bottom part, you're gonna have to pull really hard on these to make it pop out. It's not like, you know, like the G's and the FX, all these other Infinities. That's easy. Just put a tab and just pull it forward. This, man, you gotta pull very hard on this, upwards, up. Okay, as you see, it's up now. What I mean, you gotta pull hard on these. You have to pull very hard. You think you're gonna break it, but you're not. So just pull very hard on these. And don't forget your seatbelts. Put it through and just pull it out like so. Put it somewhere. There's your seat. Bottom seat. Now, if you want to remove this back seat, you will have to fold it down. Okay, so let's fold this seat down. There's a lever over here somewhere. I think this is it. There you go. It popped up. That's it. Now I move it forward. Move it forward like so. Okay. There you go. You have to go back here. Now you have to lift this thing up right here. There's little tilt tabs over here. Little two clips things. I need to get my clip puller. I don't want to try to rip this apart. Pop these off. So. Alright. Now, pop these back. Now there's a cable for this seat release thing. Right here. You see? Take that off so it's out the way. You gotta do is like slide this over like that. Pull this up like this. I'll leave that there. Alright, now let's get the 12 mil here and 12 here and just take that seat off. Well, loosen it. Okay? You could do that one, or you could do the 14 here. But I'm gonna just do it up there. Take up the 12s right here. So you can just slide off. So I can slide it back the way it was and just reconnect it back. Got the 12. That. And this one. Alright. See how it just drops down? Good. Let's put the bolt right here. Alright, now all you gotta do, slide it off. Not slide it off, but you know, just swoop, take it off. If your back seats are behind you, it might be a little difficult. I never tried it, so whatever. Alright, let's take this off, get out the way. Hey, alright, it is out. I lined up the seat. Now I gotta tighten this 12. Tighten it. Now let's put the cable for the seat. Make sure it lines up here, like so. Click back. Make sure you click in there, or you could just go like this first. Doesn't really matter. That. Back this back and just click. Oh, there you go. There you go. Make sure it clicks in. Alright, I put the seat back. Oh, not yet. You gotta put this first. Cover this. Now let's put those things on there. These things, put it back. Alright, those are back. Now, let's put the seat up. Good. Now let's get the bottom seat, put the seatbelts through, and lay it down. All you gotta do is push down on these. All right, push down hard till you hear it click. Okay, like I said, don't forget your seatbelt. Oh, let's clean it a little bit. All right, don't forget your seatbelt. Okay, let's tuck that in there. Shit. Tuck that in there. If it's not staying, grab the actual belt and connect it to it. Let me show you. Put it on it like so it can stay like that. Let's do both sides. I don't know why not do this side. Okay, get this. All right, now you just pull it up and you just push this down until you hear it click. All right, let's do that. There you go. There you go. Done. All right, now you can release these. Make sure it's good. Just release. All right, and that is it. As you see what I was talking about? That shit was mad difficult. Not difficult, but you see how we had to do to take that damn bottom seat off? It's crazy. Other than that, as soon as you take that bottom seat off, the back seat, that was easy. You saw what we did. But, all right. So, helped you out. Give me a like, subscribe. Later.